Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to unmute a Lenovo laptop. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the speaker icon in the taskbar. If the speaker icon has an X next to it, your laptop is muted. Click the speaker icon once. Now click the mute button below the volume slider to unmute the sound. After that, drag the volume slider to the right to increase the volume. If the sound is still muted, right-click the speaker icon and select Open Volume Mixer. Make sure the device volume is not muted. If you see a muted speaker icon, click on it to unmute it. You can also unmute your laptop using the keyboard. Look for the key with a speaker symbol on the top row of your keyboard. Press that key once. On some Lenovo laptops, you may need to press FN and the speaker key together. Finally, play any video or audio file to check if the sound is working. If you can hear the audio, your Lenovo laptop has been successfully unmuted. That's it. This is how you can unmute a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.